Welcome back, guys, to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today, Michigan's been getting some terrible weather, like extreme rain this season, and we already lost power once personally this season. It lasted for 3 days. 75-mile-an-hour winds knocked out our power, took out one of the boys' treehouse tree, just the top of it. We were pretty lucky in the grand scheme of things. But last night we got hit with another severe thunderstorm, tornadoes around the area, which is rare for Michigan, Zone 6A. I want to show you what happened with my garden. Obviously, I still consider myself extremely lucky. Nothing happened to the house. We have no power. I went out and got a generator this morning because there's just no power anywhere. So took out the fence of the original garden, which is okay. It was going to come out eventually anyways, but it just ripped it out. The trellis for the cucumbers fell right over. Looks like all the cucumbers died here. Coming right out of the ground. I don't know if I can save any of them, so that's a bummer. Just really unfortunate. Tomato plants all just kind of fall over. I thought I was going to lose my Rosa Sharons that came whipping over. Tomato plants in the backyard there. I'm not going to go back there, but all of them just fell over. My pepper plants got ripped out of the ground here. Just crazy. My other tomato plant was a new variety of tomato I was trying. I haven't even gotten any tomatoes off of it. It's just ripped out. You can see these ones that were volunteers, but they were still growing. They came toppled over. I think those ones will be okay. My trees, since they were pruned, are okay back there, but unfortunately my blackberry bush looks like I might have lost that. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Greenhouse did okay though. So yeah, that's just it, guys. A little bit of devastation here. Before I started cleanup, I just kind of wanted to show you guys. We all get hit hard. This season may not be a great season for my gardening. I'm going to salvage what I can. A lot of pruning and restaking might be okay, but good luck in good years and bad years. I think that's why farmers have such a tough time in the marketplace these years. But just want to kind of share you guys. I'm sure you guys are, especially in Michigan, are experiencing my pain this year, but it seems to be one thing after another this season. But just wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying your gardens this season. I hope you're not getting as bad as we are. Fingers crossed power will be back on soon for everybody, but we have no estimate yet ourselves. We're very lucky. There's trees down everywhere. Lots of devastation. But what are you gonna do? So hope you guys like this video. I've got a lot more content coming out soon, so subscribe if you want, if you haven't already, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell. And more importantly than ever, guys, I hope you guys are staying safe and really enjoying your gardens.